All right, very exciting day today. I've got everything ready to go. We've got a planter, we've got dirt, we've got water, and now all that's missing is stuff to grow. And so I'm actually gonna run over to a neighbor's house down the street. They have 4 bushes that they no longer need that look to be in pretty good shape. So I'm gonna go get them and we're gonna put them in here. And then down along the side of the shed here, I'm gonna plant my new wildflower mix, and I'm so excited. I've been counting down the days to actually plant the wildflowers and start sharing that experience with you. So some of you may already be ahead of me on this. Some of you have already bought the wildflowers, probably already have them in the ground. Maybe you're seeing sprouts already. If you are, leave a comment, let me know. Thank you for purchasing and supporting. If you want more information on the wildflowers, I'll have more later in the video, and you can also follow the link in the description. But for now, let's go get these bushes. Well, that's about as easy as it gets, honestly. I went over there expecting to dig those out and load them up, and they had already beat me to it. So special thanks to, wow, what are you guys on about, huh? So special thanks to my neighbors, Robinsons. Thank you so much. We're gonna get these in the ground right away. Now I need to move this thing because I'm pretty sure one's gonna go right there and will probably take up the majority of that space, and that will look nice. And we can probably fit 1 or 2 right here, which leaves us with 1 extra. And I don't know if we're gonna put it over there in the front yard or something. I'll have to check with the wife on that one. So we'll see. Let's get them somewhere near where they need to be at least. All right, I've got everything placed and I'm approved to plant. So let me show you what I've got, where they're gonna go, and we will get digging. So this one's obviously leaning a little bit, but it will go centered right there, very easy. And then same thing on this side, centered, easy. And then these 2 we decided to put here. I'm a little worried about how the roots will grow. I don't want them to push the blocks out, but we'll see what happens here. I've got this one centered in the window, and then I've moved that one so that it's equidistant from the other end. And then once we get these in, everything in the middle here, all of this and all of this, we're gonna put some wildflowers and see how that does to just fill in the rest of the space. So that's the plan. Let's get digging. All right, bushes are in and they have water. So each bush has its own line running right to it, and it will just create a drip stream right over the root ball. We will run that for a few minutes, get it nice and soaked so that it can start to establish, and then we'll slowly start to spread out the waterings and get to maybe 2 times a week, 3 times a week at most. So now that that's done, I can get to the most exciting part, getting these wildflower seeds planted. All right, so I'm just kind of keeping in the back of my mind here the fact that these bushes might spread a little bit. And so I want to give them a little bit of room. So I'm not going to go all the way up against the bushes. I'm probably going to go to about here and then maybe to about here. And so this area here will have wildflowers, and then likewise between the other 2 over there. So it's a little breezy, so I'm just going to do this by hand pretty carefully. I'll give you kind of an idea here of what these look like. Pretty cool to have these. I'm really excited about it. Planting them and sowing them is very easy. You just spread them on top of the soil, and then you don't need to bury them. You don't need to cover them. You just plant them on top of the soil, and then you compress them into the top of the soil, and that's it. That's all you need to do. And then you just water it. Just keep them watered until they germinate. It's as easy as that. I don't like the height of this, so I'm just going to push this down and over this way. I might lose some seeds, but that's okay. So this is just a piece of cardboard, and I'm just going to stand on that to compress the seeds into the top of the soil. So if you've got a piece of cardboard like this, scrap piece of cardboard, or whoops, lose my balance, or a small piece of scrap plywood, that'll work too just fine. And that will give you what you need to get these where they need to be. I'm really anxious to see what all of these look like once they come up. This is going to be really exciting. Been looking forward to this for a long time. And they say the best time to plant stuff is after Mother's Day. And Mother's Day was just this past weekend, so here's hoping. All right, so we'll compress these. This is a good opportunity to get your kids involved. And we'll bring one of the children in here and have him do the dirty work here. Okay, good job. Hop out and we'll move it. Wish we had a bigger piece here.
Dad.
Go ahead, right here. You have seeds too? What do we have here? Oh, more wildflowers. Awesome. We'll plant these for sure. Okay, step all over it. Shower. Probably need to turn the water on. All right, glad to have that just about done. I've got another trip to Home Depot in my future here. I had the wrong sprayers for the wildflower areas. I want to have more of a misting type spray instead of a drip, and I don't have any more of those on hand. So, of course, got to make another trip. We'll get those installed. These need to stay damp, and the area needs to stay damp until the seedlings are about 4 inches tall. So, need to make sure that we have this automated the best we can, and I need the right sprinklers to do that. So I'll get those in place, we'll keep it wet, and hopefully in the next couple of weeks we'll have something to show off. So if you're not already subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. We've got more of this, we've got more of this, and we've got more of this on the way here. Lots going on, lots of projects. We're really busy. I'm really busy. So can't wait to share more about these wildflowers. I'm so excited. More information down below. Get some. They're super easy to do. You can plant them anywhere. They'll come back every year. You'll just need to figure out where you're going to plant more of them. Thanks so much for watching. Follow along for more helpful and entertaining lawn care content. I'll see you next time.